This air purifier did an amazing job of making my bedroom less stuffy. We recently got a new kitten and all of her stuff, including her litter box, is in our bedroom. And so you can imagine what comes with that. And this air purifier has really made such a difference in my bedroom. It has a little light on it that indicates the air quality, so it'll either be orange, green, or red. I love the sleek design and matte white finish. It blends in very beautifully with all of my decor. It has 3 different speeds that you can use it on: low, medium, and high. The high one definitely does sound like a fan. It is very, very hard to hear when it is in sleep mode. Right when you first receive the air purifier, you open the bottom to get to the filter and remove the plastic bag that's around that, and then put the filter back. The really nice thing is that you don't need to replace the filter for 3 to 6 months depending on how much you use it. It has an anion feature, which when turned on, it will send negative ions into the air to help further clean your air. It also comes with a manual that gives you lots of information on how all the different features work.